Oh yay, welcome back. So today I'm going to share about slider with animation. We are going to do something very fun with it. So there's an image that I did produce in the slider tutorial, which is a zip. Okay, we are going to do some zipping, something like that. Okay, so and at first, you must actually import your image inside your Unity first. Okay. If you follow me for the UI slider tutorial, you should have imported already. So at first, we can create a UI image first. Okay. So this image, we actually putting this zip. Okay, put in the first one first and set native size. And make sure this slider back to reset the position back to 0, 0, 0. Okay, cool. So then I will name it this one as zip for this game object. So when we actually have the image of this zip, right now we want to do the animation for this zip. Okay, I will create an animation from this animation window and then I will save in my animation folder and then I call it zip open. Okay, click on the record, select for the first one, shift until the last one. So drag it inside here. Okay, then you have this playing, but probably it's actually too fast for right now. So we can actually, when you hover to this point key, then you can actually extend this timeline. Let's say put it at 40. Yep, should be good. Okay, so when you're done record, then you can actually untick the record button. Okay, then how we actually can play with the slider and change accordingly. So because right now it just open by itself, right? But I want to actually initially not open and later we'll use slider. When we drag it down, it will open. So right now I just need to control the animator first. I'll go click on my zip game object, go to my animator. You have this zip open, right? So I will create an empty state. I'll call it idle as well. So right click, set as layer default state. Yep. Then leave it just like this first. Okay. Then after that, I will create a slider. I will go to my canvas, create a UI slider. Okay, then right now my UI slider by default is actually horizontal, but I want to make it vertical, right? So I can actually go to this slider direction, make it top to bottom, because right now the interaction is top to bottom. Then make it top to bottom. And then this slider will just become like this, top to bottom. It just happen to be just like the same color. If you want to make it more clear, you can make it clear to see. Okay, then I will resize this slider. Remember to select on the slider, resize this with your rec tools on the T here. Resize it. Yep. Then you have to check There's like zip open until where? The zip open until around here. Then now I will make some adjustment, probably here or here. Yeah. Then check again. Yeah, just looking good right now. Okay. So you can just make this handle bigger as well, like how we did just now. Make this handle bigger. So later you are actually much more sensitive on dragging this. Okay, so try that out. Yeah, you just drag like this. But now it won't be happen, right? So we need a script, definitely. Create a empty game object. I'll reset this position. I will call this as script folder. Okay, I go to my script folder. I create a C# script called zip slider. Okay, zip slider. Go to my script folder. Remember to assign a script so that it can work accordingly. So the same, we need this public void because we want on value change, right? So change animation with slider. Okay, remember to save your script. So as normal, you need to let Unity know the slider as well. Oh, oops, the slider. The slider game object. Our slider, what is the name? No, just call slider, okay. Then I'll call it my slider. Any name. But save it. Remember this error you will face. The namespace slider could not be found. Are you missing a directive? So the directive is actually we are missing using Unity engine.ui. Okay, so when you have this, then I will put debug.log my slider.value. Save it. Go back to my Unity. And then who is my slider? Drag my slider to here. Go to my zip. Go to my slider, sorry. On value change, click on the plus here. Assign to the script with that function. Change animation with slider is our script. So press on the play. No, okay, it has the value, right? But it doesn't work as the action that we want because we haven't put. Okay, so one thing that we wanted to use is actually this number as well, 0 to 1. Okay, so if my slider dot value is equal to 1, okay, you might be very confused right now. Okay, we want to use this 0 to 1 because later on we will actually can change the speed of the animation in here for this speed. to actually change. If 0, then it will stop, right? So if 1, then it will actually play the animation. That's how we actually can play with the number later on. So at first, we actually have to define the animator so they can actually access just now the speed value. So zip anim. Okay. Then my slider value zip anim dot speed is 0. Yeah. Else your zip anim dot play what inside. Just now our animation is zip open, and then -1 my slider dot normalize value. Later I'll explain this thing, and then we'll need this zip anim dot speed equal to 1. Okay, save it. And then you will load the code, go to the script holder. You have to refer who is a zip anim, drag to him. Right now, maybe it doesn't work as well. If we play, nothing happened. Oh, yeah. It have it. But we have a problem that right now this thing is actually keep looping, right? There's something we actually need to fix. Is actually we need to go to our animation, the zip open, and take this loop time, and then play. Okay, if we drag, yeah. So just now, we still actually having some problem right now when I try to drag down, okay? But drag up, it will actually play the animation as well. So there's some careless mistake that I type in here. Although it's actually get to play this with this normalized value, but in fact, we actually have to control this back to 0 as well. If not, it will actually keep on playing for the value that is not equal to 1. So that's why that it keep on playing just now. So when I play it, drag it down, okay. So drag up, also okay. Yeah. Okay. So just now, this is the code that we are using. So I will explain to you guys. Okay. So you can just get this animator play. So there's a state name, which is the name just now that we put. The state name zip open is actually referring to this animation clip, the name, the zip open. Okay, so and then the layer, normally they put -1, yeah, because it's the first state given state name or hash. That is actually, I think by default, the Unity actually have written it like this. And the float normalized time is actually the time offset between 0 and 1. Okay, so if you wanted to read more with the normalized time, you can actually read it out. Okay, I'm not going to explain that because it will be very complicated. And yeah. Okay. So that's why in the slider side, we still keep it as 0 and 1. Okay, because the normalizing is actually related to the maths that we learned before. Okay, Hope you actually understand this. And another thing that I might miss out. Okay, so let's say I don't want this slider to be so ugly, right? It be here. So I can actually hide this background as well. I can actually hide this background. Normally I will hide it using this. Hide it. So let's try and see first. I keep the handle there first. Yeah. But I hide the background, I didn't hide the fill area. Okay. I should hide the fill area as well. Instead of deleted it, I will just hide it because this is something coming by default for the slider. So it will be having some error if we actually delete it. Okay, so the handle, for the handle, instead of hiding it, I don't think it's going to be working. I don't think it's going to work. Yeah, it just sends that nothing there, right? We cannot actually hide it by untick this thing. But what we can actually do is go to your handle. You can actually set this color, the alpha to 0. The alpha to 0. So right now you test it out. When you play, yeah, just working good. Okay, this is a small tips for you guys to manipulate better graphic usage. Okay, hope you actually enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe me. Thank you.